Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Yogi Engineering Hub. Today, we're gonna discuss about what is Java and its feature. I hope you will definitely enjoy this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So, what is Java? Java is one of the programming language or technology used for developing web application. Using this technology, you can develop distributed applications. A Java language developed at Sun Microsystem in the year 1995 under the guidance of James Gosling and their team. In other words, it is a programming language suitable for the development of web application. It is also used for developing desktop and mobile application. This language was developed at Sun Microsystem in the year 1995 under the guidance of James Gosling and their team. Java divided into three categories. They are given below. Java 2 Standard Edition, number 2 Java 2 Enterprise Edition, number 3 Java 2 Micro or Mobile Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition is used for developing client-side application. Java 2 Enterprise Edition is used to developing server-side application. Java 2 Mobile Edition is used for developing mobile or wireless applications by making use of predefined protocol called WAP, Wireless Access or Application Protocol. Java version histories. Nowadays, 16 versions of Java are released, which is listed below with releasing date. These are the versions from 1995 to 2021 till date. Now we discuss some basic things about Java. Java is a platform-independent, more powerful, secure, high-performance, multi-threaded programming language. Here we discuss some points related to Java. Number one point is bytecode. Bytecode, also termed portable code or P code, is a form of instruction set designed for efficient execution by a software interpreter. Second one is JRE. The Java Runtime Environment is a part of the Java Development Kit. It contains a set of libraries and tools for developing Java application. The Java Runtime Environment provided the minimum requirement for executing a Java application. Third one is JVM. JVM is a set of programs developed by Sun Microsystem and supplied as a part of the JDK for reading line by line of bytecode, and it converts into a native understanding form of operating system. The Java language is one of the compiled and interpreted programming language. Number 4 is JIT. JIT is a set of programs developed by Sun Microsystem and added as a part of JVM to speed up the interpretation phase. Number 5 is garbage collector. Garbage collector is the system Java program which runs in the background along with the regular Java program to collect unreferenced or unused memory space for improving the performance of our applications. Now we come into the features of Java. The features are displayed in this diagram. So let's discuss all these features in the next slides. Number 1 is simple. It is simple because of the following factor. It is free from pointer due to this extension. Time of application is improved. Whenever we write a Java program without pointer, then internally it is converted into the equivalent programming pointer program. It has rich set of APIs, that means application protocol interface. It has garbage collector, which is always used to collect unreferred or unused memory location by improving performance of a Java program. And it contains user-friendly syntax for developing any application. Number 2 is platform independent. Java is a platform independent language. A program or technology is said to be platform independent if and only if which can run on all available operating systems with respect to its development and compilation. Platform represents operating system. That means write once, run everywhere approach. And it is the biggest feature of the Java which made this language more popular among programmers. Here is the diagram that shows how the Java code is platform independent. Third one is architecture neutral. A language or a technology is said to be architecture neutral, which can run on any available processor in the real world without considering their development and compilation. The language like C or C++ are treated as architecture dependent. Number 4 is portable. If any language support platform independent and architecture neutral feature known as portable. The language like C, C++, Pascal are treated as non-portable language. It is portable language according to the Sun Microsystem. Portability is equal to platform independent plus architecture. Number 5 is multi-threaded. A flow of control is known as thread. When any language executes multiple threads at the time, that language is known as multi-threaded. That means it is multi-threaded. Here is the diagram that shows the Java program contains a main thread, and within this main thread there are three threads that run simultaneously. That's why Java supports multi-threading. Distributed. Using this language, we can create distributed application. RMI or is used to creating distributed application. In distributed application, multiple client system depends on multiple server systems so that even problem occurs in one server will never be referred on any client system. Seventh one is robust. Simply means of robust or strong. It is robust or strong programming language because of its capability to handle runtime error, automatic garbage collection, the lack of pointer concept, exception handling. All these points make it robust language. Eighth one is dynamic. It supports dynamic memory allocation. Due to this, memory wastage is reduced and improved performance of the application. The process of allocating the memory space to the input of the program at a runtime is known as dynamic memory allocation. To programming to allocate memory space by dynamically, we use an operator called new. New operator is known as dynamic memory allocator. Number 9 is secure. It is more secure language as compared to the other language. In this language, all code is converted into bytecode after compilation, which is not readable by humans. That's why Java is more popular because it provides security. Highly performs. High performance. It have high performance because of the following reason. This language uses bytecode which is faster than ordinary pointer code, or performance of this language is high. Garbage collector collects the unuseful memory space and improve the performance of the application. It has no pointers so that using this language we can develop an application very easily. The last one is it support multi-threading. Because of this time-consuming process can be reduced to executing the program. Next one is object-oriented. Java support object-oriented programming concept. These OOPS concepts are given below. These are abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These are also known as four pillars of object-oriented programming, and we discuss in this and we discuss these four pillars in our upcoming videos. The next one is interpreted. Usually a computer language can be either compiled or interpreted. Java integrates the power of compiled language with the flexibility of interpreted language. Java compiler compiles the Java source code into the bytecode, and then Java virtual machine then execute this bytecode, which is executable on many operating systems, and it is portable. So that's all for today's topic. If you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned with us. Thank you.